Morning everybody, we're back again after our days off. It's absolutely gorgeous right now. The site's looking good, everyone's checking out. I've just done my bin run. Got some people just using the service point back there before they leave. And yeah, so we take advantage of this good weather and get out on the mower. In 3 days it's already starting to pop, so yeah, the grass is coming. Just gonna have a quick nosy at my seed and see how that's been doing. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do a higher cut now. I've been cutting on a number 3, but I'm gonna take it up to a 4. Just see if we get some better, see if we can just make it a bit more durable. This area's a bit flat. Need some sun on that to perk up. Yeah, oh, it's looking good through here. I'll have a look now. This area's done really well. So yeah, we'll start cutting that higher and higher now. Just looking good. Got to trim around some of these marker posts, trim some of the edges, and then we can just get on the ride on. Do the bulk of it. Someone's left their stick. Yeah, it's looking good. Perfect. Just currently working on some safety features so people don't trip. Just adding another yellow stripe to this curved edge. I'm probably going to add one around here at some point as well, although it's pretty obvious. But there's a bit of a small lip around here which is less obvious, so I might just go around this corner here up to the step over there, because it's a small one. It's the most likely to be tripped on because it's not that obvious. So yeah, cracking on with that while the weather's good. Take Billy for his afternoon stroll. Hey, in. Let's go. There's another blade moving through town. So it's sticking up over there. I've just been round and trimmed all the marker posts and anything I can't cut close to with the mower. It's looking nice. Get on the ride on now. Race about with that. We're not too busy today, so we should be able to get it all done today. Just keep on top of it. Again, number 4 cut. Oh, radio's going off. Number 4 cut. That should keep everything nice and thick. Just regular cuts. Not taking off too much. Need to get some air in this tyre as well. It's got a slow puncture. Well, it's been a really successful first day back after our days off. Remembered to get the bins out, which is always good. Grass is cut. Not too busy, first day back, so we managed to get everything sorted. And yeah, just gonna finish in about 20 minutes. Enjoy the nice evening. So many bunnies out today. take a few days to green up again. I'll brush it up, get the airflow in. Shouldn't take too long. We'll just black it out so no one can go on here for a few days. I think we had a tent here for 6 days or something like that. So yeah, to be expected. Oh, my poor grass. Oh no. Just enjoying my coffee whilst I'm doing the bins. The sun's shining. It rained pretty much most of last night. So there were a lot of people hunkering down in the communal lounge area last night, which is good. It's good that we have somewhere for people to just kind of sit and relax, not out in the rain. But yeah, it's supposed to rain this afternoon, so I'm not going to be able to finish off my painting. But yeah, might have a steady day today and just do little odd jobs, try and stay dry hopefully. So yeah, just doing the bins. Everyone's checked out, so yeah, nice chill Sunday hopefully. A couple of freebies this morning. Nice little privacy shelter. I can't see anything wrong with it, but yeah, might keep that one for myself. 3 chairs, nothing wrong with those either, but Billy's not too happy about the lightning and the thunder. He's alright though, he's just unsure of what's going on. He's not shaking or anything, so I just sat with him, gave him a couple of treats. Silly Billy.
It's okay, Bill. It's okay.
I'd say it's wet paint now. Oh, thank you so much for leaving me some bent pegs on your pitch. How fantastic. Cheers, Billy. Enjoying some fresh air out in the garden. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. That's all the strimming done around the marker posts. The grass is still a little bit wet, but I think, yeah, I think we're only taking a little bit off the top, so cutting the grass while it's a little bit damp shouldn't be an issue. I'm going to give the deck a clean this afternoon as well, get the hose pipe on it and just give it a scrape out, just to make sure we're maintaining our stuff. Got to look after it. And I'll give all that a brush off and a check over as well. Probably needs a bit more line. I think it's right on the last bit. So yeah, let's crack on before the rain comes. What's happened?
So we just had one of our customers bring in a baby crow, just found up by the park. Poor little guy. He's just in there. So we're just trying to find someone that can take him to the wildlife rescue, which is down in Mohr. So we'll see.
This repair area is coming in quite good now. It's just a little bit of a bare patch there where it's sat high, but it's thickening up good. So I'm just going to keep it covered though for now. We've got some really wet weather and I don't want people traipsing all over this. Still got this little extension to do down here because this is where everyone cuts the corner. So this just needs thickening up as well. Going to uncover that now and just give that a trim and see what that's looking like. Improving slowly. This edge is just not very good at all, so I'm going to have to redo all this edge. Get a fresh batch of seed and soil in there. We've got warm temps now, so it should all just take pretty quickly if we keep it covered. We've been having plenty of rain, so watering hasn't been an issue, that's for sure. So yeah, let's cut this bit down now, get it covered up again. Morning everyone, pretty chill morning, got the bins done and started doing a bit more of this, just doing a bit of it, a little section at a time, and then eventually we'll make it around the corner. But yeah, if I do too much, I'm just worried people are going to step in it, so I don't do too much. But yeah, I'll do another coat in a couple of hours once it's tacky. Hopefully the weather stays fair as it is at the minute. It's quite warm. But yeah, I've got the rest of the grass to cut today, so I'm going to crack on with that now. Sorted out some of the grass out the front here, just to tidy it up for the dog walkers. Got to tackle that side at some point, and the rest of the bank in here. Just keep it looking all nice and crispy. Take Billy for a walk and then we'll do a bit of mowing after a bit of lunch. Be nice. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he smelling? Yellow stripe is coming along nicely. Every time I start to paint now, the bloody wind picks up. So, but it doesn't stick too bad, so not too bad. These will just flick off when it dries. But this is as far as we've got. We're just going to make it all the way to the end there at some point. Weather's beautiful this morning. Lovely stuff. It's good being able to get jobs like this done again after the days and days of rain, it seems. But yeah. Got some strimming to do. I got pretty much all the grass cut yesterday and the day before. So I've just got this little bit under the trees to do. And then a lot of just tidying up and strimming around the power bollards and the marker posts. Got the second coat done, but now it's starting to rain, unfortunately. But hopefully that won't affect the paint too much. It kind of just beads up on the top, so it shouldn't ruin it. Hopefully. So we've had another height warning strike from someone that wasn't staying on the campsite. They just wanted to come in and use the facility so they can empty their toilet and stuff like that. But you should really know how tall your vehicle is. And if you don't know, get out and have a look instead of just trying it, please. We do have some new signs. These are a little brighter. Maybe people might take a bit of notice of these ones. We can only hope.